Mastering Advent for IELTS. Boost your vocabulary to Band 8.0. The word Advent is a powerful addition to your IELTS vocabulary arsenal, capable of elevating your language proficiency to the coveted band score of 8.0. This versatile term carries rich connotations and can be applied in various contexts, making it an invaluable asset for your written and spoken English. Word type Advent function primarily as a noun in English, though it can occasionally be used as an adjective. Meaning, at its core, Advent refers to the arrival or emergence of a notable person, thing, or event. It often implies a sense of anticipation or the beginning of an important era or development. Word history. The term Advent traces its roots to the Latin word adventus, meaning arrival. It entered the English language in the 12th century, initially used in a religious context to describe the coming of Christ. Over time, its usage broadened to encompass various significant arrivals or beginnings. Antonyms. While Advent signifies the beginning or arrival, its antonyms include departure, end, conclusion, and termination. Synonyms. To diversify your vocabulary, consider using these synonyms: emergence, dawn, onset, inception, commencement, and genesis. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use Advent in sophisticated contexts. The advent of artificial intelligence has revolutionized numerous industries, prompting both excitement and concern about its long-term implications. Historians often debate whether the advent of agriculture marked the true beginning of human civilization. The company's latest product launch heralds the advent of a new era in sustainable technology. Many sociologists argue that the advent of social media has fundamentally altered the nature of human relationships and communication. Common errors in use. Be cautious not to confuse advent with advance. While advent refers to an arrival or beginning, advance means to move forward or make progress. Additionally, avoid using advent for everyday or mundane arrivals. Reserve it for significant or impactful events or developments. Mastering the word advent and using it appropriately in your IELTS exam can significantly enhance the sophistication and precision of your language. Remember, it's not just about knowing the definition, but understanding its nuances and applying it effectively in various contexts. By incorporating Advent into your active vocabulary, you're well on your way to achieving that impressive band score of 8.0.